For the Likes of You is a melodic metalcore band formed in 2011 in Aberdeen, Washington by Casey Molenaar, Jestin Peterson, Devin Kite, Ryne, Olson and Reese. However, Molenaar departed in 2015, being replaced by From Heroes to Legends vocalist Austin Dickey. Discography. Singles. Members. Current lineup: Austin Dickey, unclean vocals. 2015 present: Jestin Peterson, guitar. 2011 present: Zach Holzer, guitar. 2011 present: Ryne Olson, bass. Clean vocals. 2011 present: Devin Kite, drums. 2011 present. Past members: Casey Molenaar, 2011 to 2015. Garth Running, Reese, David Sharrod, 2015 to 2017. Musical style: For the Likes of You have been described as melodic metalcore, metalcore and post-hardcore.